In this video, I will show how to create a wavy line in Illustrator. So firstly, in this toolbars, select this line shape, line segment, press and hold shift key and draw your line. You can change the color from here. Here you can change the stroke. Then click on effect. Then click on effect. Then hover cursor to distort and transform. And here the option zigzag. Click on it. Now here you will see this setting. You can change size and radius per segment. Select here smooth. Click on OK. Now in this stroke, select it, then select none. So now here in the border line, in stroke select any color, and here in the fill color select no color. So you will see this perfect zigzag line. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.